Good morning, cuties. So here's my breakfast this morning. It is just an egg white omelet, and I just sauteed some peppers, and I had some leeks, so I stuck those in there. And it's about a half a cup of egg whites, and that's 0. And then I added 1/8 of a cup of feta cheese, which is 2 points. And over here, I have some smoked salmon, which is 0. And Daisy Light Sour Cream, 2 tablespoons, is 2 points. So this whole breakfast is 4 points. And I've become a little obsessed with having the sour cream with my omelet for some reason. But it tastes really delicious. I wish I had some dill because that would be absolutely delicious. But today I don't. And normally I put tomatoes on the side also, but I don't have any today. So this is my 4-point breakfast. And I'll see you for lunch. Hey, I forgot to share my coffee. I'm starting to have some iced coffee, which I love. So this is just the Starbucks unsweetened, which is 0 points. And I just put 2 tablespoons of hazelnut creamer, the coffee mate, which is 4 points. It's quite high now, but it's worth it to me. It makes my coffee taste really good. And I don't need sugar when I'm using the iced coffee, so this is just 4 points. Okay, so here's my lunch. I actually started eating it already and remembered I had to film it for you guys. It's kind of weird, but really tasty. It's kind of a different version of avocado toast. So our toaster broke and we haven't gotten our new one yet. So I really wanted the avocados. So I took these little crackers. These are the Crunchmaster multigrain crackers. 15 of them is 4 points. So I think it was about 10 actually, but I'm still counting it as the 4 points. And then on top of that, I took 1 cup of the mini guacamole snack packs from Trader Joe's, and one of those is only 3 points. And it's pretty tasty. There's a lot of garlic in it, which I didn't realize, but it's tasty. And then, of course, I just have some cherry tomatoes with a little bit of salt. And for 7 points, this is my lunch. And it's really tasty. Stay tuned for my dinner. And here's my dinner. This is Italian sausage with broccolini and cannellini beans. I use chicken sausage. It's kind of underneath there. I found a chicken sausage that had kale in it, and it tastes delicious. I taste just a piece of the sausage. I think you can see it there. So this is a WW recipe, and it's 6 points. And I did add a little bit of quinoa, which is 0 for me on WW, and the actual recipe is 6 points. So I'm going to sit down and enjoy this, and I'll see you if I have a snack. Okay, so I'm just gonna have this for dessert. This is the Sickies Yogurt, and I have the vanilla. It's my favorite, and it's 0 fat, and it's 3 points for this little cup, and it's just so good. If you've never tried it, you really ought to give it a try. If you like Greek yogurt, it's even a little bit thicker and a little bit tangier. And it's just perfect. And it is like a dessert. It's so creamy and yummy. So this ends my day at 26 points on WW. And I pretty much stayed within my 75 soft rules. So yeah, I think I did pretty good for today. So I hope you subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of videos. That would be great. And check me out on Instagram. It's Cindy's_success. And over there, obviously, it's mostly photos of food and such. So I would love to see you over there, and have a great night.